For a number of years now, work has been proceeding to bring perfection to the crudely conceived idea of a machine that would not only supply inverse reactive current for use in unilateral phase detractors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing cardinal grammeters. Such a machine is the Turbo Encabulator. Basically, the only new principle involved is that instead of power being generated by the relative motion of conductors and fluxes, it is produced by the medial interaction of magnetoreluctance and capacitive directance. The original machine had a base plate of prefabulated ammulites surmounted by a malleable logarithmic casing in such a way that the two spurving bearings were in direct line with the pentametric fan. The latter consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic Marsal vanes, so fitted to the ambifacient lunar wane shaft such that side fumbling was effectively prevented. The main winding was of the normal Lotus O delta type, placed in panendermic semi-boloid slots in the stator, every 7th conductor being connected by a non-reversible tremie pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the grammeters. Electrical engineers will appreciate the difficulty of noobing together a regurgitative Purwell and a supramative Wennelsprock. Indeed, this proved to be a stumbling block to further development until, in 1942, it was found that the use of anhydrous nangling pins enabled a kryptonastic boiling shim to the tankard. The early attempts to construct a sufficiently robust spiral decommutator failed largely because of a lack of appreciation of the large quasi-piastic stresses in the gremlin studs. The latter were specially designed to hold the roffet bars to the spam shaft. When, however, it was discovered that wending could be prevented by a simple addition to the living sockets, almost perfect running was secured.
What?
Undoubtedly, the Turbo Encabulator has now reached a very high level of technical development. It has been successfully used for operating Nofer trunnions. In addition, whenever a Beresson score motion is required, it may be employed in conjunction with a drawn reciprocating dingle arm to reduce sinusoidal depleneration.